What's up, guys? It's Tanya, and today we are going fishing. We are doing a lot of stuff. We're clean. We're here in my backyard right now, and it's sunny day. Last night we did s'mores. I'm practically sure I want to do a fire right now to eat some s'mores because I got some cute marshmallows and stuff. So don't ask. There's no fish out right now, so we're not going to do that. But I kind of want to do a survival. I don't know. I'm practically sure I want to. I don't know. There's already tents out here just in case I won't tell you. But I do want to start trying to get a fire going. Last night, we got so much wood. Look at this. So much wood. And we just built it up a fire. Beautiful fire. Beautiful s'mores. But all I'm saying is I'm gonna go get a lighter so we can light this up. Light this girl on fire. And I know I haven't been posting a lot, but it's only because I've been busy. Yeah, I've been busy. But now it's time. And it's really late out, so let's go. Oh. A lighter. Hold on, let me get one. Okay, so I kind of forgot where the lighter was. So let's go. People's out here doing stuff. So, but I have to hurry up. Okay, got the lighter, let's go. Okay, let's go. We're about to be in the backyard, so I cannot wait. Normally I post in the backyard. It's just because I like to, really. Oh yeah, it's just because I like it. Okay, let's try to make a fire. Okay, I finally got a lighter, and it's a cute one. Cutie one. Okay, we got some thing from the green crackers. How do you? Okay, is that you? Okay. We got a little one right there, but it's going out. Stuffy. Okay, we got a little fire. I think someone's I don't know. We got a little fire. Y'all can see. We need to add some stuff to actually make it fire. Get that fire going. So I can have some s'mores. Nobody knows I'm doing this. So I don't know if there's some Hershey wrappers. So we can burn. Burn, baby. Burn, baby. This girl is on fire. Ow. We're sharing it. We're doing it. Doing it, y'all. There we go. Now that should be enough to, you know, make a fire. So I'm gonna go get marshmallow, graham crackers, and we had no chocolate. Let me go see what's happening. They were just joking around. Boys, like, you want the regular baby? Yo, there's chocolate in there. Okay, we can bring. Hold on. Okay, I got the just regular marshmallows and graham crackers because I don't really need chocolate. Like, I don't need chocolate. I can just eat the graham crackers by itself and marshmallow. Last night we had 2 big, you know, those giant bars of chocolate that is like 6-7 bars. Yeah, that got like eaten on. Okay, the fire's still going. Fire's still. Okay, where's a stick? Oh, that's a big stick. Here's a good, a goodie stick. Like a goodie two shoes, but a goodie stick. See, I love marshmallows. It's so good when they're roasted good. You tried a marshmallow. Rock gel. Let me try to get the marshmallow going. Almost 5 hours. That is good. I think that is good. Like, this marshmallow is not marshmallow. Let me get a new one. Where's the light? Where I put the light? Oh, that's born. That burnt. Look at that thing. Hold on, let me get the graham cracker. So stupid. I'm gonna feel stupider when they watch it on YouTube. Literally, after I'm doing this video and uploading it, I'm gonna watch it. Make sure I didn't do any mistakes. Oh. Ooh, these are good. Cinnamon one. Ooh, I caught that perfect. That's nice. Yeah, I'm nice. I'm gonna put one more marshmallow to go on there since I don't have chocolate. No, it just feels right. And especially my fire going. Look at that. Fire growing. I got a fire growing. I got a fire growing. Right. I'm still learning about life. I learn about children growing. So I can see life. That can smoke and burn. Okay. I love burnt. The burn just makes it smooth. Like a real one. Nobody knows I'm even. Well, I think my dad knows I'm out here. But either from that, they don't know I'm making a fire. And I'm gonna finish this.